Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today is the day before Thanksgiving, so we're gonna be making a whole bunch of stuff today, okay? But in this video, we're gonna be making chitterlings. If you don't like chitterlings, baby, I don't even know why you clicked on this video, because that's what we doing. Before we get started though, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon. It is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you.
Alright, now for my chitterlings. I don't really know how I'm going to show y'all how to cook these without actually formally showing y'all how to clean them. That's my fault, because I had already cleaned these like a month ago and I froze them, okay? Because I don't like to wait till the last minute for nothing. So, I'm just going to be showing y'all how to cook these today. But please find a video to where you know how to clean these chitterlings the right way, the proper way. Because you don't want to be eating unclean chitterlings. That's all I got to say. Seriously. Okay? First thing you're going to do is get a big ass pot. If you're cooking a lot, get a big ass pot. Okay? And by the way, let me just say this. If you don't like chitterlings, please, why are you watching this video? Get up out of here. Go find something else that I cook that you like. Back to the people that like the chitterlings. Let's get to it. So, this is what we're going to do. My chitterlings are frozen. So, we just going to dump. So, we're going to boil this for a little while, just until we get all the impurities and just until it starts to break down a little bit. And I'm going to put some water in here too, y'all. We're going to end up pouring all of this off. So don't worry about how much water you putting in, because it don't matter right now. Right now, all we're trying to do is boil off the impurities. So as y'all can see, it's all broken up and you can see all of the impurities here. We're gonna pour this off and then clean the pot out and then get some new water. Just gonna give it a little rinse. I'm gonna clean that pot too. First, we're gonna add some oil in here, y'all. It's already getting nice and hot. I don't even know why. Just add some onions. Celery as well. We're just gonna saute this down for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna be using chicken broth in mine. But I'm using about 232 ounces. Not really sure if I'm gonna use all of this. I need to see what's going on. See how it's looking. Y'all, this is 4 buckets. Is this 4 buckets? 4 buckets of chitterlings. We're gonna season these, y'all. I'm gonna go in with some onion powder, or garlic powder, my bad. Garlic powder. And y'all just season to taste. A little bit of seasoning salt. And if y'all have some potatoes, that would be perfect to put in here to keep the smell down. I don't actually have none. I didn't actually plan on showing y'all how to make this today. But here we are. We got some black pepper. A little bit of onion powder. And that's pretty much all you need, y'all. We're gonna bring this to a boil and then down to a simmer. And we're gonna cook this for about 3 hours. I'm gonna add a little bit more water because I want some more liquid. If y'all got more chicken broth, y'all can add some more of that. Yeah, I don't really want those to be on the bottom because I don't want the bottom to burn. Yeah, there you go. And we're gonna check this every like 30 minutes, but we're gonna put this on for about 3 hours or until it's tender. Let's go ahead and check our chitlins, y'all. It has been about 2.5 hours, y'all. I did leave this lid cracked like this, so well, it was like this, but it moved. And I did keep checking on it, so it's looking like, you can already tell I need to add some more seasoning, so I will do that. And we just want to make sure that these are tender, y'all. These might not be done yet, but let's go ahead and check. See, you want that to break with your fork. It's almost there. It's almost there. I want that to break right on up with my fork. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So we're going to leave that on for the remaining time, and I'm gonna go ahead and season that up a little bit more because I need some more seasoning, baby. Alright, y'all, so this is how they came out. I will get y'all a video on how to clean these because I feel like that is very crucial. But don't forget, y'all, the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn. I almost forgot to show y'all the hot sauce. Make sure y'all put some if you like hot sauce, y'all.
Hit that subscribe button.